How to change your age on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. And once this list appears, click on Settings. From the Account Information section, click on Personal Information. And here you will be able to change your age by clicking on it and then setting whatever age you want. And once you're done, click on the Save button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Pinterest age. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.